EAS in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Rush County, northeastern Decatur County, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Rushville, or 12 miles east of Shelbyville, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been reported by the public. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rushville, Milroy, Clarksburg, and New Salem. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana, Decatur, and Rush. Now here is the hazardous weather